This is very nice. I live in a street where park is a huge problem. And now the owner of this house, he's cleaning his driveway. He kept his car parked right in front of his house. And all of a sudden, he removed his car out of the spot and he's piling the snow right on the parking spot where there is no parking. So the best part is, by law, he's allowed to do that. But if you have your car full of snow and you need to clean the snow to get out of, for some reason, you cannot throw snow on the street. It's not allowed by law. It's against the law. You can't throw snow on the street. You can throw on the parking spot. You can throw on the sidewalk, but not. You need to leave the sidewalk free so the people can walk through. You cannot block the sidewalk completely. So, if there is no parking on this street, where are you gonna park? You cannot park on the middle of the street. So where are we gonna park? So here on the street, we already have a big problem with snow. There's never enough parking for everybody. So right here we have one spot less. Over there we have another spot less. And the problem is, the only people here, look what they did with this guy. They put all the snow on top of his car. They are allowed to do that. Not this spot here. 3 spots less. So his driveway is clean. He have a house. He owns the house. That's nice, huh? That's very nice. He owns the house. He can do that. Look at this. Where are we gonna park the cars? And these are the people that we paid rent to live on their house, and now they're throwing all the snow in the middle of the street. Not on the middle of the street because they're not allowed, on top of the cars and on the top of the parking spots. Isn't that awesome? So tell me what you think about it.